Hello, welcome back to our Kangaroo Math pre-Collier preparation. So today we will continue to do a really interesting topic. It's a kind of reasoning game in math, a little bit similar to Sudoku. You can consider that to be like if you want to be very good at Sudoku, you can use this one to exercise your logical reasoning first. So let's see, what is it? As you can see, these numbers has been put on a house. The sum of 5 numbers in each house is 20, and some numbers have been painted over. So what number is hidden under the question mark? Let's find the question mark first. But actually, as you can see, we don't know what is the number of it. And the second, in this question, there is a keyword some students may not really know, which is the sum of it. Especially for standard 1 student. Maybe you haven't learned this in your school. Actually, sum, or in Chinese, 和, it means when we are adding some numbers together, the answer we got is just the sum. So you can remember the sum is the answer of addition, of a plus. After we know what is the sum, and we know that is 20. So here you can see on the left house, the dark gray one, we got 5 numbers on this little house. And the second, when we are adding them together, we should get 20. But 2 numbers are missing. That's okay. If they are missing, we can use shape to represent it. So first we can get, actually on the left, we got 3 numbers and 2 symbols add up to 20. This is the first condition we can have. Second, we got another house on the right, and it also has 5 circles. But some of numbers have been missing. That's okay. But at least we know it's 3 plus a question mark with another 1 and the 2 shapes in the middle equals another 2, 20. This is how we translate the sentence, the question, into math language, 2 operations. Some students may have noticed that if both of them equals 20, actually we can get a relationship there. The 5 numbers on the left house add up together equals the same number when we adding the 5 numbers on the right house. So here we have already know that equal sign, actually it has the same use as a balanced scale. Whereas you can imagine that like a seesaw. When that is level, when that is balanced, that means the left is the same as the right. So if I take away the star on the left, how can I make it still balanced? How can I make the equation still true? What do I need to take on the right? Good job, you got it? The star. So we can, if we take away the same amount from both sides of the equation, or of a balanced scale, it will still be equal. So the same, we can take away the heart from both sides. If so, we can see on the left, we just have 3 numbers left. On the right, we have 3 question mark and 1 left. And in math, we try to get as much information as possible first. So calculate first. On the left, 6 plus 2 plus 5. Please tell me, what did you get? Great, you got it so fast. It is 13. On the right, we can't know what is 3 plus the question mark, but we can calculate 3 plus 1 first. It becomes 4 plus something equals to 13. In the first lesson, operation without numbers, we have already know. If we got 4 added by something, and we know the total of it, to find part of the circle, we just need to take away 4 from 13. We can get, actually, the question mark is exactly 9. D is correct. This is our first solution. Yeah, you can see actually in this solution, we do not really need the number 20. We just need to know the sum of 5 numbers in each house is the same. We can get it. Second, but if you can't have this method, you can try the second method by using the data 20. Because here you can see we can make the star and the heart into a combo. First, we have already know 6 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 13. So 13 added by the combo equals 20. First, we can get the combo of star and heart should be 20 minus 13, which is 7. And the second operation also got the same combo. It is still 7. So in this case, we can get 3 plus question mark plus 1 with 7 equals to 20. Actually, only one number is missing. 3, 1, 7 makes 11. 11 plus a question mark equals 20. We can easily get the question mark is 9. 20 minus 11. No matter which way you use, you can see we can solve the question mark. Question mark is 9. But there is a point, there is a knowledge in this number puzzle. The star and the heart is at common circles. Common means actually both halves share the two circles. Both of them have it. So actually it's like for the rest, except for the common circles, they will make the same sum. That's how we get this question easily in the first solution. So today, please try to share both methods with your parents or with your friends, because there is no such a method which can solve all the problems in the world. No, so that's why in daily practice, we had better accumulate as many methods as possible. And also that is a good way to exercise our creative thinking. Hope you can make it. See you next day. Bye.